Have you ever been in a situation where you're working on a project with a team of people, and you're all trying to stay organized and on top of things? If so, then you know how challenging it can be to keep everyone on the same page. In this video, I'm going to talk about Basecamp, a powerful project management software that can help you and your team stay organized and productive. I'm your name, and I'm a product manager at your company. I've been using Basecamp for the past few years, and I found it to be an invaluable tool for managing projects of all sizes. In this video, I'm going to show you what Basecamp is, how it can be used to improve your project management, and some of the best features that it has to offer. What is Basecamp? Basecamp is a web-based project management software that helps you organize your work, collaborate with your team, and stay on top of deadlines. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. How can Basecamp help you improve your project management? There are a number of ways that Basecamp can help you improve your project management. Here are a few of the most important. Centralized communication. Basecamp provides a central location for all of your project communication. This makes it easy to keep track of what's going on and to ensure that everyone is on the same page. Task management. Basecamp makes it easy to create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. You can also set deadlines for tasks and get notifications when tasks are completed. File sharing. Basecamp makes it easy to share files with your team members. You can create folders for different projects and then upload files to those folders. Collaboration. Basecamp provides a number of tools that make it easy to collaborate with your team members. For example, you can use the @mention feature to tag team members in conversations, and you can create shared notes and to-do lists. Reporting. Basecamp provides a number of reports that can help you track the progress of your project. For example, you can generate a report that shows you how many tasks are overdue, or a report that shows you how much time has been spent on a particular project. Some of the best features of Basecamp. To-do lists. To-do lists are a great way to keep track of your tasks. You can create to-do lists for different projects, or you can create a single to-do list for all of your tasks. Milestones. Milestones are a great way to track the progress of your project. You can create milestones for different phases of your project, and then track your progress towards those milestones. Calendar. The Basecamp calendar makes it easy to keep track of your deadlines and events. You can add events to your calendar, and you can also subscribe to other people's calendars. Chat. The Basecamp chat feature makes it easy to communicate with your team members in real time. You can use chat to ask questions, get feedback, and share updates. Boards. Boards are a great way to visualize your work. You can create boards for different projects, or you can create a single board for all of your work. Documents. The Basecamp Documents feature makes it easy to share and collaborate on documents. You can create new documents, upload existing documents, and share documents with other team members. Proofing. The Basecamp proofing feature makes it easy to get feedback on your work. You can create a proofing request and then invite other team members to review your work. Time tracking. The Basecamp time tracking feature makes it easy to track how much time you and your team members spend on different tasks. You can use time tracking to generate reports that show you how much time has been spent on a particular project. How to get started with Basecamp. If you're interested in using Basecamp, you can sign up for a free trial. Once you've signed up, you'll be able to create a new project and start using Basecamp. Basecamp is a powerful project management software that can help you and your team stay organized and productive. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. If you're looking for a way to improve your project management, I highly recommend giving Basecamp a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.